Next, we're going to talk about expanding log expressions. And basically what this means is we want to use any combination that we can of the product, quotient, and power property to keep breaking these log expressions down. So if we can still use quotient, product, or power property, we're not done yet. So let's take a look. The first one is natural log. So remember that's log base e, the natural base, of 5x to the 7th divided by y. Well, I see a whole lot of things going on. I see a 5 multiplied by an x raised to a power of 7, and division going on here. We want to kind of break this apart in steps. So let's first get rid of the division. This will give me natural log of 5x to the 7th minus natural log of y. Remember that when we divide, we take our numerator and subtract the denominator piece here. So this is using my quotient. Now I want to go ahead and undo the multiplying that's happening between 5 and x to the 7th. Let's just focus on that one. This natural log of y is, we're not going to be able to do anything else with that. There's no product, power, or quotient that we can mess with there. So let's go ahead and break natural log of 5x to the 7th up as natural log of 5 plus natural log of x to the 7th. And then we still have natural log of y. So this was using product. All right, so now natural log of 5, I can't do anything else with that, but I have an x raised to the 7th power here. So I need to go ahead and rewrite this, moving the 7 to the front, and I can do that using my power property. So this will be natural log of 5 plus 7 natural log of x minus natural log of y. And that is fully expanded. I can't use any of these properties to expand any further. Let's try another one of these. So the first thing that jumps out at me is taking care of my quotient, my dividing. So let's go ahead and do that and say that log of 5 minus log of 12x. And that's using my quotient property to subtract. Next, I notice that I have a 12 multiplied by an x, so I need to break this apart by using my product property. My log of 5, can't do anything with that. Now I need to subtract log of 12 plus log of x. Now I want to caution you here. We are starting to break this apart with this multiplication by adding. However, there is a subtraction sign here in front. So that subtraction sign needs to stay in front, and whatever we do to log of 12x, that negative sign needs to be applied. So as a last step, we want to go ahead and simplify by distributing that negative sign to everything. So we will say log of 5 minus log 12 minus log x as a final expansion. I'd like you to try number 7 on your own, pause the video, and then come back here to see how you did. Okay, let's take a look at number 7. So you should have noticed that I have a 3 multiplied by an x to the 4th, so I want to break that apart, that multiplication, by adding log base 6 of 3 plus log base 6 of x to the 4th, using my product power. But I have an x to the 4th power, so I need to take that 4 and bring it to the front, using my power property, and so my final answer is log base 6 of 3 plus 4 log base 6 of x.